Hi everyone, I will show you how to post reels on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines on the top right and go to your profile. Now scroll down. Now you can see the reel option in the bottom of your profile, then tap it. Now you need to select your video. Now if you want to edit, then tap the edit button in the bottom left. When you are done, then tap the next button in the bottom right. Now you can tap the description right here. When you are done, then tap the share button in the bottom and your reel will be shared on your Facebook. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.